Hey guys, Mark and Twine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you could generate more leads, more sales, and more reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Gold Canyon business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have simply studied the craft. I want you to be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets, rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. I'm saving a special bonus at the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the #1 lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact simple 3-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboard for recruiting in one company and to hit the leaderboard for sales in another company. I'm going to show you how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified leads in the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again, so you never have to cold message people. In this way, you can attract highly targeted and qualified prospects to you of people who actually buy. So you can ultimately start having the lifestyle and freedom that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at others who already have the success that you want in your niche, looking at what they've done, and creating updated content going after the same keywords. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to do this, and I left the link in the description. You're going to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to the Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to use to rank on Google and YouTube, and you're going to be able to get search traffic from there. Create a coherent title with your keyword phrases, and your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. Create a description that is 300 words long in length and scatter your keywords throughout. Place your link at the top of this description. You want to save a thumbnail that you create using canva.com as your primary keyword. Going after the keywords in this way will bring you traffic from the search of Google and YouTube, and this will bring more traffic to what you have to offer. Do not reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. So you don't want to copy word for word verbatim exactly what somebody said, but you want to create similar content going after the same keywords. 3 to 5 minute long content, and use Open Broadcast System to share your screen. Save your video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You want to find out exactly where the like-minded people who are going to be interested in what you have to offer are hanging out. And in this case, it's most likely going to be network marketers. Once you find these people, you want to reach out to them with this first message. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyways. I've been noticing some of the comments that you've been making on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. Definitely seems like we have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, and I think it would be great if we could connect. What exactly do you do for work? Starting off a message in this way, in an honest way where you already looked at the person's profile, will help you to build your following. As you build your following, you want to keep people engaged on your timeline. You want to post pictures of yourself hanging out, post blog posts, fill in the blanks, and asking questions. Those are good ways to keep your audience engaged. You want to set a goal to make 5 to 10 of those connections per day. Some good groups are Tony Robbins fan page and the Robert Kiyosaki fan page. You want to be social because the idea here is around making connections and not closing prospects. All that stuff will come. People will be attracted to what you're doing. Just make the connections. Everything else will fall into place. You want to post curiosity and not resistance. So if you ever notice, if you post about your business and post your logo all day, every day, it gets little engagement. That's because you want to post 90% personal. That means lifestyle pictures, pictures of food, pictures of you hanging out with your family, random questions, quotes, all those things are good. And 10% about your business. And that 10% is most likely going to be the results of others or your own results. A good example of a curiosity post that could lead to your business anyway is this. This morning I made a great smoothie. with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people may reach out to you and ask you, hey, but what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people even sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.